The center of this subsistence economy is the marketplace, and it's completely run by women who often walk 30 or 40 miles to exchange and sell their goods. Although the years of isolation crippled Haiti's industrial and technological development, Haitian artisans produce a large number of articles necessary for daily life, and often from recycled materials. One art historian describes this ingenuity as bending technology. The difficulty of surviving on the land has caused some movement to towns and cities, primarily Port-au-Prince, the capital of Haiti, which now has a population of just under 1 million. The rhythms of agricultural and urban life are reflected in the art.